Hey guys, Rick for Sonance here, back in our video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the new feature track Freaks. So the final result will sound like this. So the presets we'll be using are coming from the pack Dirty Tech Phone 1. So if you want the presets, make sure to check the link down below. Besides that, if you want the project file, make sure to check my Patreon. I will link that down below as well. So now let's dive into the tutorial. First I'm gonna make the drums, then the bass, and then the lead sounds. So let's start off with the drums. So let's dive into the drums. First we're gonna start off with the kick drums sounding like this. Just simple 4-on-4 kick drum with a clap sound. Then we added open hi-hats, first one, and the second one, we layered it together. Then we added the right loop, nothing too crazy going on right now, but you have this groove curve, which will really give some more groove to the drums. Solo it sounds like this, kind of weird sound, but in the track it works really well. And then the last thing we have this closed hi-hat. Off the grid as well, so we have some more groove. Then we run to the drum bass. So without a width, it makes it a bit more tighter. We have a transient shaper for more punch to the drums and a soft clipper just to make it a bit louder. So that's for drums. Now we're gonna have the bass line. So now we're gonna make the bass line sounding like this. So the presets coming from Dirty Tech Phone 1. So if you want the whole preset pack, make sure to check the link down below. Now we're gonna make a bass from scratch. Saw wave to octave down. Shape envelope like this. Only drag the sustain just a little bit down. Then we're gonna shape the filter. We'll be using a low 18. Cut off just a little bit back. Quite some drive and fatness. String mono, legato. To add some more slides to it. Then we're gonna dive into effects. So first some hyperdimension. Shape like this. Some downsample distortion just to add some more high end to the sound. Just drag the mix a little bit back. As clear, that will add some more high end to the sound. That will really fills up the spectrum. Now we're gonna add a phaser. Just mix it in. And some compression to finish it off. Drag the threshold just a little bit back. And put up the gain a little bit. So together with drums, it sounds like this. So now we're gonna dive into leads. So first we're gonna make the first lead sounding like this. So we're gonna make it from scratch. Selecting the preset. Quite a simple one actually. So we'll be using two square waves. Just go for the basic shapes. Put them both at 1 octave. Shape envelope 1 like this. Run them both to the levels. Select trigger. We're gonna go for the 1/16 and a little bit of smoothness. We're gonna detune the second oscillator. And we're gonna route envelope 2 to it. Just to give a more dirty feel to the sound. We're gonna route to the pen as well. Just to create some more movement to it. Level gonna be a little bit back. So then we're gonna add some noise to it. Some bright whites. With FO to it as well. Sound like this. So that's it for the oscillators. Now we're gonna have an effects. So first we're gonna add a chorus sound. With a high pass filter just on here. Just to get a little bit different sound from a normal square wave. Then we're gonna EQ it with a low cut. Just to make room for the bass line. Then we're gonna add some more reverb to it. But we're gonna route LFO to mix. So every time the sound is opening up, the reverb will open up as well. Just like this. Then the last thing I'm gonna do is add a filter to it. We'll be using the high 6. Right if I want to the cutout. This will create some more room for the bass line as well. We're gonna add some more drive to it. And that's for lead sound, so it sounds like this. So now we're only gonna make the second sound sounding like this. It's a pad sound, you can find it in the pack as well. It's quite a complicated sound, so we're not gonna dive into it. It's just a pad sound with added photo with a lot of parameters. So altogether, the sounds will sound like this. And that's it for Facial Remake. So if you like the video, please leave a like to see more, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.